guys, welcome back to Behind Closed Doors with your host Mildred. I figure I'll come on and do some vlogging today. I'm out on this beautiful Saturday morning here in Georgia. It's about 61 degrees, but it's definitely hoodie weather out here. As you can see, I got my hoodie on. Gather yourself and pray. This is my saying. If you want to order one, hit your girl up. However, I'm here at the admissions office here at their drive-through admissions to bring my car because my birthday is next week. As you know, you have to have your tags done by your birthday at least. So that's what I'm here doing. I'm next in line. So guys, we'll see how this goes because this is a new place. I usually go to another place, but their machine was down. I think that she's done. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go. Hey guys, I had to show you guys this sign. Look, I had to show you guys this sign up here. That's cute. I really like that. That's cute. Yes. So this is my baby. That's my Kia Sportage 20, I think she's a 2015. Yeah, I think she's a 2015. However, I'm just patiently waiting for my blessing. Everybody that knows me knows I love the Lexus RX, is it? I think it's RX 350. I love it. Can't wait. It's coming. It's coming. I've been calling her for a few years now, but she's coming. Check that out.